Good evening. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How many people are with you?
Just me, please.
All right, please follow me. Here's your table.
Thank you.
Here's the menu. Would you like something to drink while you look at it?
Yes, please. Can I have a glass of water?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Here's your water. Have you decided what to eat?
Not yet. Could you tell me what you recommend?
Sure. For starters, our tomato soup is very popular. For the main course, many people like our grilled chicken with rice.
Sounds nice. What comes with the grilled chicken?
One comes with rice and vegetables.
Okay.
Perfect. Anything else to drink?
Do you have fresh juice?
Yes, we have orange juice, apple juice, and mango juice.
I'll have mango juice, please.
All right. So, tomato soup, grilled chicken with rice, and mango juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Here's your tomato soup and mango juice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
How was the soup?
It was very tasty.
I'm glad you liked it. Your grilled chicken will be here in just a moment.
Also think.
Here's your grilled chicken with rice and vegetables.
Wow, it looks good.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How is everything?
It's delicious. The chicken is very soft.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like to try some dessert after this?
Maybe. What desserts do you have?
We have chocolate cake, fruit salad, and ice cream.
I think I'll have ice cream.
Sure. What flavor would you like? Vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry?
Strawberry, please.
Here's your strawberry ice cream.
Thank you. Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here you go.
Thank you. Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here it is. Thank you for coming to Sunny Cafe. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. Goodbye.